Alright, so I just wanted to make this video as a sort of PSA, no, public service announcement, especially to parents who are trying to buy violins for their children, especially those small kids, no, around until I think 10 or 11 years old. If you are buying a new violin and a smaller sized one, please watch this video. Okay, so marami ako nakikita dito sa platform na nagtuturo ng mga students with the incorrect size of instruments. Yes, I know, siguro yung iba hindi pa nakakabili or something, but as much as possible, no, kailangan talaga ng right size for your students, no, or your kids, for the parents, no. Bakit napaka-importante? Kasi mabigat, no. Aside from just the length of the instruments, the weight is also significant, no. So pwedeng mag-cause ng injury, especially if the kids are small, let's say 5 or 6 years old, tas pahahawakin mo ng full-size violin, 7 years old. The mere fact na kailangan nilang balansehin yun sa kamay nila could cause injury, could cause harm or discomfort, no. So as much as possible, please use the right or correct size of violins. Okay, so a lot of stores din minsan, kapag hindi nila alam, they would suggest, kunwari, nagsabi na yung teacher. For example, ako sinabi ko, please buy a 1/2 size violin, ganyan. No, so pupunta yung parents dun sa store, ganyan. Kung sila lang mag-isa, sobrang daling i-sale stock na sasabihin, ay, 3/4 po, baka pwede na kasi katatangkaran naman yan nung bata or it would grow, yung bata lalaki pa, no? Parang ganoon. No, this is a bad advice. Huwag niyo pong i-follow. Pag sinabi ng teacher na 1/2 yung bilhin nyo. Okay? Kahit na sabihin natin tatangkad siya, it's better to use a smaller size violin na pag tumangkad siya than using a bigger size habang hindi pa siya lumalaki. Kasi maghihinder yan ng progress, no? Mahihirapan mag-bowing, hindi maaabot yung dulo ng bow, the balance of the hand, the balance of the fingers, no? The way they would hold the violin, sobrang daming factors na maapektuhan. So as much as possible, please buy the correct size. So paano natin ma-assure yon? Number one, when you go to a store, and kung nakapag-decide na ang teacher nyo ng sinabi talaga 1/2 yung sinabi sa inyo, don't settle for a 3/4, don't settle for a full size, no? 1/2. Make sure na yon. Kung wala, wag bumili. Okay? Wag sabihin na, ay, sayang yung lakad namin. Kasi, again, it's the child who will suffer. And then, also, as much as possible, kung hindi pa naman nakakapagsukat, isama nyo yung kids nyo when you're trying to buy it. Especially kung maliit pa talaga sila, no? Kasi a 1/4 and 1/2 size, minsan visually it might look the same, konting-konti lang yung difference nila, but again, it would drastically affect their learning, their playing, intonation, lahat maapektuhan yan. So napaka-importante, no? Ayun nga, wag nating ipilit na bumili ng size that is bigger, no? Hindi to parang sapatos na ibibili mo ng mas malaki para mas magamit ng mas matagal. No, it's not going to work out in their favor kapag ginawa natin yan. So make sure you get the right size. Again, it's better to use a smaller sized instrument temporarily than buying something that is much larger. Kasi mahihirapan talaga sila. No? Paano ulit mag-check? I have a lot of videos on that. But make sure that when your child is holding the violin, pa-fully extend nyo yung arm na ganyan, and then the scroll should be at the wrist. Yun yung tamang size. No? Kapag yung scroll nandito sa palm nila, fully extended, nasa palm, that is too big. No? So, kailangan at least dito sa wrist, or if konting-konti dito, okay lang yun. Kasi, ibig sabihin, pag hawak niya sa neck, sa first position, nakabend yung arms nila, and it is a neutral position kung saan hindi magkakaroon ng problems when they try to press, walang extra effort or weight going down their biceps that would cause pain or discomfort or even injury, no? Ingatan natin, no? Especially for smaller kids, They're still developing, their bones are still developing. So, as much as possible, huwag nating ipilit. Kung wala, maghanap sa iba. Okay? You can buy online or basta nakapagsukat na siya ng tama, please. Ingatan natin. Kasi ang dami kong nakikita na pinapagamit ng full size yung bata na I think 1/4 pa lang yung violin, no? I think I also did sizing guide, no? Para sa mga maghahanap. You can search it on my other platforms as well. Pero as much as possible, please, let's for the sake of your child's development and para ma-enjoy niya yung process. Kasi iba kaya nag-give up 5 years old, may 3/4 na violin sa bahay, pipilitin paggamit, tas ganyan sila tumugtog, di ba? Kawawa naman. No, kaya hindi nila na-enjoy because pinapahirapan na natin sila where it doesn't need to be that hard. So sana nakatulong to. If you did, comment down below. And I'll see you on the next one. Good luck sa inyo.